What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just dropping a real quick video just to update you on what's going on. It's been like 2 months since I dropped a video. I still do have all my projects going. It's just with work and life, sometimes gets in the way, but I am gonna continue to bring you content. I do have my E32 BMW. I was thinking about selling it. I actually put it out there in the market, got a few offers, but decided just to keep it. I got a lot of comments from viewers that they really do like this project, so I'm just gonna continue it. Right now, the middle section of the exhaust has a leak and there's like a rattle. I don't know if the catalytic converter is not, it's not working or disintegrated, which could be because when I first got this car, it had an acceleration problem. It would accelerate by itself, in park, and all that rich fuel was going downstream the exhaust. So I'm assuming probably the catalytic converter got messed up because of that, because that could be the rattle. But I won't know until I get in there. So I am gonna be working on that. I do have my Pontiac Trans Am here still, just sitting and waiting. I'm eventually gonna get to that. And I also have the Chevy S10 pickup. That's my shop truck. I still have that. I haven't really thrown any videos out there because I really wanted to drive it first, see if it's worth it, since I bought a sight unseen at the auction. But actually the engine is great and the transmission has been driving. I put over 2,000 miles now on it, and it's not perfect. It still needs work. I just want to make sure it was worth putting money into. The transfer case, I checked the level and it was overfilled. So that tells me right away, which is a common problem with the S10 pickups, that the front input shaft seal is gone. So transmission fluid actually from the transmission seeps into the transfer case and overfills it. So I'm gonna have to change the input shaft seal on the transfer case. Lucky the transfer case uses transmission fluid, so it's not harming it, but it's not good to be overfilled. So I'm gonna do that. I know the suspension needs work. It has the upper control arms, the bushings are shot. The driver's side actually doesn't even have a bushing anymore. It's just metal on metal contact. So I'm gonna address the suspension, get new shocks for it, and once I have it running and driving, perfect, then I'll do the cosmetic work, dents, things, and all that stuff. And my wife's car, the Buick Encore that I rebuilt here on the channel, it's running and driving perfectly. No issues with it whatsoever. Looks great. Getting tons of comments. The only upgrade I did to it that I did in video, I tinted the front windows. But that's about it. So that's running great. She's happy with it, and it's out the shop. So, yep. The next video I'm gonna drop is probably gonna be on the E32 and checking out what's going on with that exhaust. So thank you very much for watching. This was just a quick update. Please subscribe and like the videos. I'm gonna put the link below on the Buick Encore project that I completed here at the channel. And the more the channel grows, then better content I'm able to bring you guys. So thank you very much.